Hello everyone! Now that you have decided, I need to get a stainless steel water tank. Next question, which one? Oh no, you are stuck again. So for today, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to choose your first stainless steel water tank. This is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Step 1. How much water do you need? The average water consumption of a Malaysian adult is between 150 to 200 litres per day, which includes a person's basic daily needs such as showering, washing, drinking, and household usage. Example 1. If you are having 2 adults and 2 children at home, you will probably need an average of 500 litres of water a day. Therefore, a 1000 litre water tank will be sufficient to last you for 2 days. Example 2. If you are having 2 adults and 3 teenagers at home, you will need an average of 1000 litres of water a day. Therefore, investing a 2000 litre water tank can save you for 2 days. But of course, with a good water conservation practice, this can last you for another 1 or 2 days more. So, start saving water. Step 2. Where are you going to install the water tank? You have 2 options here. A. At the rooftop level or B. At the ground level. For the installation at the rooftop level, you may either choose to replace the existing water tank with a bigger tank, higher capacity, or connecting with the existing water tank with extra storage capacity. Please do keep in mind, it is recommended to locate your stainless steel water tank externally in a good ventilation area and not in a confined space. Please ensure that your building structure is strong and safe to support the additional loading. For installation at the ground level, which means adding a new water tank with extra storage capacity, usually located at the car porch, garden, or at the back of your house. With this configuration, please do keep in mind that you need a water pump to continue supplying water to your kitchen, bathroom, and also to the water tank at the rooftop level. Step 3. Which model of water tank should I choose? Beginning with the most popular, vertical round bottom withstand. For this model, the drainage outlet is at the very bottom of the tank, where you can easily drain off all dirt and sediments efficiently. The stainless steel stand also allows easy cleaning and definitely suitable for those who love cleanliness. Vertical flat bottom without stand. For this model, the water tank will be shorter in overall height while remaining the exact same capacity. However, the flat bottom will be in direct contact with the cement slab surface, which is not recommended to avoid any potential chemical corrosions. My advice, you may use timber plank or plastic material as separation media. Horizontal withstand. If you are looking to hide your water tank and not letting anyone to see it, this is the right model for you. Super Slim series, vertical round bottom withstand and vertical flat bottom without stand. Some of you might have narrow or limited space at home, but still not wanting to compromise on the storage capacity, go for this model. Square or sphere withstand. Less common, but if you are looking for uniqueness and to stand out among the water tanks, bring this home. Step 4. Which material grade? SUS 304 or 316. Most of the customers will choose SUS 304 due to its lower price and a standard 10 years warranty. But of course, SUS 316 is of higher grade and higher price, but with 20 years of warranty. For the product warranty, most of the terms and conditions are similar, and you are advised to contact its manufacturer for more details. Step 5. Brands and pricing. In Malaysia, there are quite a number of manufacturers with their own labels, mostly identical in types and models, with slight different in terms of designs and pricing. You are encouraged to survey the market before confirming your order. Not forgetting product reviews, forums, and blogs. If you need that extra little help, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching my video. I believe with these 5 simple steps, you are more than ready to purchase your first stainless steel water tank. Please do not forget to check out my many other videos on stainless steel water tank. Bye bye.